Hi, and welcome back to LiveBinders. Today I'm going to be showing you how to share your binder by using our email address book feature that is available to our Pro subscriber accounts. This feature is accessible from 3 locations. Your My Binders page, and I'll show you that right here.
You're going to want to click on Options, then Share.
And Email. And you can also do it from within the player of your binder. So I'm just opening it up in play mode, and I go to Options, Share, and then click on Email. And you can also do it from within the editor. So I'm going to launch my binder in my editor here. And it's under Share and Email. So the rest of this demonstration, I'm going to be within the editor, because often you may be editing your binder, adding a new tab, and you want to share that with your stakeholders who may be reviewing your binders and want to see the latest update. So recently I just added this tab here about working with Microsoft Teams and being able to add your binder and your binder shelf to your Microsoft Teams account. So this is an example I'm going to share with you. I'm in this tab, and this is something you don't have to do, but I like to share it anyways because I'm not sure many of you know that you can actually grab the particular URL to a tab that you just recently edited. So you want to click on Share, and you can see that it's got the link to the binder, which we automatically send to your email recipients. But I like to grab the current tab URL and add that to the message of my binder as well. So I'm doing that now. And you can see that normally this would be under Access, but I've already clicked on Email, and I can add new email addresses here. So we'll just put email@gmail.com, and you can separate them by commas. So if you haven't had any email addresses that you've used in this feature, go ahead, then add them here, and you can add up to 100 separated by commas. If you have used this feature before, what you can do is scroll down and click on Yes, Use Previous Addresses. And what this will allow you to do is to quickly send any updates with your LiveBinder directly to any or all addresses that have associated with your LiveBinders account. So I'm going to click on this drop-down menu and select the binder I'm currently in, which is Example Content in a Binder. And doing so will display all of the previous addresses that I've associated with this binder. So as you can see, I have several example addresses here solely for this demonstration. I can click on them individually to add them to the recipient list, or I can simply click Add All to include every previously used address, and they will be displayed right here, and you can expand the window using this corner option right here. And here is where you can change the email address that is set in the binder. By default, it selects the address that is tied to your LiveBinders account, but if you want to change that, you can do so right here. The name of the sender goes here, and here is where you can include a message with the binder. And I'm also going to include the link that I copied to this particular tab. That's right up here. And this will allow my recipients to open this binder straight to this Microsoft Teams tab within this binder. They're also going to receive the link to the binder's homepage right here. And for this example, we can actually pull up that email, which I'll do now. And this is what your recipients will see. The name of the sender will be displayed here, and here is the link to the specific tab that I wanted to share. But it also provides a link to the whole binder. So if you didn't want to send a particular tab, you didn't have to do that. But you can write whatever message you want, and they'll still have the link to the whole binder along with a nice captured icon of your binder cover and your binder icon.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com.